use MagicBricks to receive new leads for my real estate business. And now here I wanted that whenever I used to receive a new lead, I wanted to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row so that I can have contact details for each and every lead in future as well. So now here, instead of doing manual entry in Google Sheets, I automated this entire process of capturing my MagicBricks leads into my Google Sheets as a new row instantly. Sounds magical, right? So here I've set up this amazing automation using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Here I've simply connected my MagicBricks account with my Google Sheets so that whenever I received a new lead, instantly that lead was added in my Google Sheets as a new row. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this amazing automation for your business too. So to start with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount on your purchase. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first and here you can see some methods such as create from scratch, create using AI and create using quick builder. So here if you want to build the workflow step by step, then select first option, and to build a workflow with completely doing a chat with AI, then you can use another method which is create using AI. And here if you want to just set up workflow using AI, then you can use create using quick builder. We are going to select that and we are going to start a fresh chat. It says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to write a single line of prompt explaining my workflow to this quick builder. Let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from MagicBricks, add it to Google Sheets. And here after analyzing my request, it is asking which MagicBricks trigger should start this workflow. We're going to select new leads and for Google Sheets, I'm going to select add a new row. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received the workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using quick builder. Now here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger in action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up our trigger. So here we have selected app and the app event, and here we have received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our MagicBricks with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your MagicBricks account. Reach out to your account manager from MagicBricks. Your integration will be activated by the team within a week's time, and once they activate the subscriptions, lead will start coming to the campaign selected by you. So basically you need to copy this webhook URL and send it to the backend team of your MagicBricks account in order to set up a webhook inside your MagicBricks account. Once the setup is done, then automatically you are going to receive all your leads inside Pabbly Connect. For now, I'm going to copy my webhook URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive the dummy lead details over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received dummy lead details such as name, email, contact and the city. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received the new lead details, then we are going to add them in our Google Sheets as a new row. For that, we are going to build a new connection over here. And here to build a new connection, we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then we are going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. Then here it is asking me for the spreadsheet and the sheet. So here I have a spreadsheet with the name new leads and my sheet as sheet 1. Then here it is asking for name, email, contact and the city. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through MagicBricks. Automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter slash first. Here we are going to map the name, then we are going to map the email address. Here we are going to map the contact. And lastly, here we are going to map the city. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets. Let's go and check it. And you can see a new detail has been added over here successfully. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as MagicBricks and our action as Google Sheets. So that now I'm going to receive a new real estate lead through MagicBricks. Instantly that lead is going to be captured and added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically capture your real estate lead ads. You can easily replace this MagicBricks with another applications and Google Sheets with another database as well. Alright, I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.